Hey, let's practice real life English speaking together right now. Look, look around. Right now, I'm in the center of Moscow, and today I'm going to take a walk. In Moscow, it's summer, it's a great summer. I have a summer break at uni, and we're going to practice English speaking because I will just speak about my days, about my life, describe everything I see around. And you can practice your listening, improve your listening skills, and learn maybe some new vocabulary. And also just practice speaking together with me. Hey, how's it going? Long time no see, guys. How's your summer going? What have you been doing this summer? Just let me know in the comments right now. Like, what's three main hobbies or maybe activities you're going to do this summer? For example, I'm going to learn English. I'm going to read books, watch movies. I'm going to do YouTube, make more videos. And at the same time, I want to just hang out with my friends and travel. I want to travel somewhere to some other cities in Russia with my friends to have something memorable after this summer, right? And by the way, guys, today is my birthday. Yeah, today is my birthday. It's July 14, and I decided to spend this day with the most important people for me. It's YouTube. Okay, besides my family, obviously. And it's not glazing, bro. Wait, I wanna cross the street right now. See that traffic jam behind me, and it's not glazing. Like, no exaggerations right now. Glazing is when you over compliment someone. It's kind of slang, really popular in America right now. The bells are ringing right now. Look at this local church, and the bells right there on the top are ringing. Yeah, there's the streets in the center of Moscow. And by the way, I will share several facts about with the streets while I'm walking, because it's one of the most craziest streets you can ever be in actually in this city. We have different bars and restaurants on the side, on the both sides, as well as shops, restaurants, bars. Is cleaning the streets right now. A street photographer, by the way. Oh. And yeah, to be honest about this street, once I was here at night, I went here with my friends. We were watching football. Oh my gosh! Wait, it's a really beautiful view right there. Can you see that view? I don't know. Okay, we were here at night, and it's just full of people because there were the main bars in Moscow located in the streets, so it's full of people, crazy stuff going on. We can call it like a little LA, Los Angeles in Russia, because there was a gun shooting here, right now down this street, like this part, and there was the gun shoot, and the police, like, they don't really control this street in the night, so you can do here many different stuff. So in the night it's all getting dirty, but in the morning or right now during the day it's super clean. It's like a bakery, right? Yeah. Look at that. Look at those desserts and croissants behind this glass. And salads and cakes. And there is a price. Really cute place, like you can go here to take a seat somewhere here, for example, and you can just be sitting and working if you brought a laptop with you, or you can go on a date here or with your friend. This kind of street. Oh, why do we have such a big line right there? You see that crowd of people, really big line. What are they waiting for? Like, it's line to enter the cafe. But why? Is this a famous place? I've never heard about this place. Oh wow. Okay. Yesterday, when I was in my dormitory, I watched a movie that's called Michael. Have you heard about this movie about Michael Jackson? That movie was so good, like so much inspiration you can take from that movie from Michael Jackson. I actually got motivated after watching that movie, after I got familiar with his story and with his mindset. You know what? I really love that mindset when you just convincing yourself over and over again every single day that you're the best you can do, you can achieve everything you want to achieve, you will become like the best, you will achieve everything. I really like this mindset of a champion, you know, and Michael Jackson turns out he had this mindset. By the way, I'm really wondering if people really can buy an apartment here and live here. Just how much does it cost to live in this apartment, for example? It's gonna be extremely expensive, and it's not gonna be really comfortable because this street is very noisy at night. Very noisy. All these bars are going crazy. Oh, what a bench. Good. See, I wouldn't like to live here, to be honest. It's really nice when you can read the menu in outside of the place. And guys, by the way, if you want to find a speaking partner or want to make more international friends, don't forget that I have a group chat for English learners on Telegram. You can join that chat just for free and say hi and make more friends online from all over the world. Yeah, please join. And right now I'm going to turn left. I'm going to turn left behind this building, and I will go through with the park rides. Palm tree. Oh man. Is it this kind of resort or what? Ice cream. Sweet. Very nice. Now I'm turning left and going around with the corner, around with this dirty corner. Yeah, across that street. Wow, that's a really nice view. And let's go here. By the way, that restaurant is also very good and very expensive. So let's go. So look at this place, so quiet. Oh, they are fishing. Look, bro. Grandpa are fishing, making a movie or interview. And look at that. They are fishing right now. They have a fishing road, and they are fishing. Many pigeons right there. Oh, look, he's going to catch a fish. What kind of fish are they going to catch? Okay, it's just grass. It's like a class of how to do stunts, to do a backflip, or I don't know, some kind of flip. You can chill here, you can learn how to dance. Amazing, amazing. Free activities. Yeah, like this. I wanna sit here on the grass because why not? I just hope I will not slip and fall. I need to be careful. Yeah. I'm sitting now with pigeons. Sun. Okay, let's go. I'm really scared I will sleep. Let's go. Boom. Vamos. And today, bro, July 14, Spain against France. Who's going to win? Your predictions, guys? Oh, probably I will publish this video tomorrow, so you already know who won. But I don't know yet. I suppose Spain. I like Spain. Let's go. W dog. So we have different areas with different activities. Here you can learn how to rap.
Вот, запятую, как яйца вкрутую. Вот, яичницы.
On the stage.
Отличницы. Вот, понимаете, вот так, в таком темпе.
What are they
Это на
laughing about?
скорость. Если рифм не
Man, that was so funny. Ten meters from rappers, we have opera. It's just a rehearsal. They don't have any audience yet. I don't know if they will. Dogs. Dogs. Beautiful dog. Wow. Dog. They're playing board games. By the way, I love this board game. I don't know how it's called in English, but I love this board game. I hope you enjoyed this little walk. So yeah guys, thank you so much. Love you all. Take care. Bye bye.